Hey, Rico. Listen, guys, let me just give you guys, I know a couple of people are new to this channel, and one of the things that we do in this channel is when you hit the like button, you get a like number, and then that's the number that you give when you want me to acknowledge your question. I will not acknowledge any questions unless there's a like number that you have obtained. It's only fair, y'all. It's only fair that I'm here getting you the inside court information for you guys to do that for me. Okay? That's what I ask for you guys to do. Say, hit the like button, give me your like number, and anytime you're asking a question, put your like number and then your question. With the question, your like number. Okay? That's the only fair way to do it. Not I didn't take lunch because I wanted to come over here and give you guys some 411 or what's going on in the courtroom. It has been very chaotic in the courtroom. Damien, that 157 you gave is not a like number. It's not a like number. The one says given these numbers, that's not a like number. So that's a number that you entered into the chat, but that is not a like number. 120 is not a like number, y'all. That's not a like number. It's not a like number, Mashawn. That's not a like number. I don't know what y'all trying to play me. Trying to play me today. It's 112 likes in here, so how is it 123? Don't play me, y'all. Don't play me today. Don't play me. It's 113 in here. 113 likes. Because the number's right here, so I see it before you even try to put the fake numbers. Somerville is not, that's not a number. It's not a number. It's not a number, 130. Y'all trying to play me today? Really? Y'all trying to play your girl, huh? If I see fake numbers, I'm not going to acknowledge it. Okay? That's all I ask. It's a like number. If y'all think that's unfair, well, it's unfair to me that I'm giving you guys the real deal information, but y'all want to cheat me. Is that fair to me? All right, let me give you guys the 411. There's more, Sylvia. You see more? Okay, hold on. Let me see. Let me go on another thing. Let's see. Hold on. I might have to apologize to those people. Hold on. No. Nope, they didn't. It's 166. I know I ain't crazy. I know I ain't crazy. Okay, there we go. I'm on my other phone looking at it too. Okay, we go back from lunch at thank you. Thank you, Love will Conquer. I appreciate it. YSL Love will Conquer. Thank you, McKinney, for the Cash App. Thank you for the Cash App. Y'all, I appreciate the Cash App. Tia, thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Let me tell you what happened. Okay, I got in this morning and I told you that it was going to be kind of revved up. You know, I knew security was going to be tight. I knew they were going to go crazy. So, this morning when we got in, I didn't see Woody, but I heard he was there, right? He was already inside the room. And so when they came in, someone mentioned about him having an attorney and that he could not talk to them. That's why they had a meeting where the judge asked for the attorney to come down, right? So when I was in the courtroom, me eavesdropping and listening and everything, I heard the deputies like scrambling all over the place, right? They were scrambling all over the place trying to figure out what position each one of them was going to go and all that. Then I heard the captain in the hallway. They were saying how, that he said he was going to act the fool. That's his Woody. Woody said he was going to act the fool. And then I heard a mention about this is not the Wild Wild West, and that, they're not going to have that. They're going to knock him out if he act up, that type of thing, right? So then I saw him walk in. That's when I told you guys that he had on a pair of white jeans and some work boots, right? Very not tall. He's not that tall as a guy, right? He came in and he sat in. They put him in the back room. Then they waited for his attorney to come in, right? So while waiting for his attorney, the judge took a break, and they took a break, and everybody was just off the chain, just going crazy all over, right? Tension, emotions was off up the roof, right? I did mention to you guys there was argument, but I ain't gonna go into that. But people was just really tense, real tense. Because they don't know what he's going to do. We know they've seen him on Instagram. Then me eavesdropping, y'all. While I was eavesdropping, I heard, because you know, reporters, we're the nosiest thing on the earth. I'm just going to tell you, if you don't want nobody to know your business, don't sit around me because I'm going to be like this, eavesdropping. Anyway, so while I was eavesdropping, I hear that he was given three different deals along with his immunity. And so, and I'm like, and then I was like, three different deals. What is he gonna tell him, right? That's what I'm thinking. And then I heard someone say, well, all they want him to do is talk against Jeffrey William, aka Young Thug. All they want is for them to talk, whatever information, even if it's a lie. They want him to give Jeffrey, basically the case is to get Jeffrey William. That's what the case is all about, right? So that's what I heard. That's why I put it in the chat that, they gave him three deals and all this kind of stuff, right? But listen, you heard when the judge went in there and they tell, judge trying to convince him to testify, and if he don't, the consequences of him not testifying, right? So basically, he's going to go to jail if he doesn't testify. Be careful what I say. I'm a reporter. Well, I got to be careful what I say. I'm eavesdropping. That's what reporters do. That's why half of the time they're like, oh, I'm not going to talk to Miss Sylvie because I know she's going to put it out. They know I eavesdrop, okay? Because if you're sitting right near me and I'm a reporter, I'm going to listen what you're saying. Yes, I am going to listen and I'm going to report it. That's what we do as reporters. Hello? That's why they'd be like, oh, Miss Sylvia's right here. Let's go. Let's go someplace else. No, I'm just saying. That's what we do. That's what we do. That's why they say, hey, they be like, oh, they go Miss Sylvia right here. They'll run away from me, okay? Because they know if they're gonna say something, I'm gonna listen. That's why they better say it right. Because if they say it wrong, I'm gonna put it out, and it'll be the wrong thing, and they'll be like, oh, she lied. Okay, I'm gonna be listening. Period. I'm gonna tell you what I hear. Okay. So if you don't want me to know, don't say nothing around me. It's my First Amendment to hear and bring the information as a press. Okay. That's why they be like, oh, there goes Sylvia. I ain't gonna say nothing because she gonna put it out. Okay, here we go. So he he came in, and that's why I told you I got my camera on him, and because I did not know whether or not they're gonna not let show his face and everything, right? So I had said, y'all, I have my camera right on him. He has on, I'm telling you what he has on, a pair of white jeans, blah 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 blah, right? And so the family starts coming in because at first it was just myself and the attorneys and different people, right? So Miss Sylvia, to watch what she is saying, you know nothing and freedom of express. Yeah, I know nothing. I know nothing. All I know is what I hear. I'm not part of anything. But anyway, so I just lost my train of thought. So everybody came in and families are coming in, and I see Nut's dad, he comes in, he sits down, then Nut's mom come in and she sits down, right? And they're sitting in the front of me, and then Then George Cheedy comes in, he sits down, and so folks is asking like, okay, asking about George's name, and George hears his name, right? That's why I told y'all they were talking about George. So then George, him, his nosy self, George is nosy just like I am. George said, "Oh, I hear my name. Why am I being called?" Then the deputy says, "Oh, we could talk about you if you want to." I'm like, dang. The tension is like so thick you could cut it with a knife, y'all. You could cut it with a knife. It was like, and he was like, "No, I don't have a problem with you talking about. I just want to know, why my name is being mentioned. Did I do anything wrong?" That's what George says, right? So, and then she was like, no. So then we found out the reason why, because they trying to figure out who he is, if he had the right credentials, because he was taking pictures, right? George was taking pictures, and they want to make sure that he's okay to take pictures, which he is. He has a Rule 22, and he's there legitimately. He just haven't been there. A lot of people haven't been there, but because of this is happening, he decided, hey, this is the time to come in. Let me get some information, get some reporting going on, and boom, right? That's why. So because they haven't seen him and there's people that's new in there, they didn't know who he was. Why is he taking pictures? And his name was mentioned. Okay. George went on the smoke. So that's that part. So now not Cheedy, Woody's attorney comes in. He gets up there in the podium and gives his spiel about, the state, talk to his client without him being there, blah, 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 blah. Y'all heard that part. I don't need to go repeat that. So then now the attorney told the judge that Woody was right there, right? So judge is talking like Woody's not here. So he's like, he's right there, Your Honor. So he brings Woody up on the stand, and Woody, said he want to take his Fifth Amendment, whatever, right? So then the judge tried to explain to him the immunity that they have given him, and that he has already signed the order, that they can't do anything to him if whatever he says on the stand, blah, 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 right? So that was that. Then they want to bring up some motions about different, stuff that you already see. I'm not going to talk about that. But let me tell you what's going on behind the scene, behind the camera. Woody goes back into that room, into the little witness room. There's about 5 officers like guarding the room. Then they tell basically, not too much movement around in the courtroom because it's so discombobulated, just disarray, just weird stuff. You know what I'm saying? All this extra stuff for this little tiny guy. That's why I said this little tiny guy. All right. So now they're trying to get this thing figured out. Now this is what I want to tell you guys. The exclusive that I got to tell you guys. This is what I got to tell you guys. I'm in the hallway, me and my nosy self, me and my nosy self. I'm in the hallway. I see Woody's out the room now, right? He's out the room. He's on the phone, right? He's walking like he's pacing back and forth. There's an officer back there with him and everything, right? Why do Woody go and say, guess what he just said? He said, y'all, guess what he said? And y'all, I'm going to say the cuss word too. I'm going to say the cuss word because I'm going to give you the energy that this man put it on. Guess what he goes and say? Guess what he goes and say, y'all? Because they got to wait for his attorney. His attorney's doing a case upstairs, and he said he'll be back down in about 30 minutes, so they decided to take a lunch. All right? Guess what he said? Guess what Woody said, y'all? Guess what he said? You close, T-Mac. Guess what he said? I'm about to cuss. So y'all, somebody pay that fine for me. I'm about to cuss. Somebody pay my $5 fine. But I'm about to cuss. Guess what he said? Y'all ready? I'm about to say, who gonna pay my fine? My $5 fine, my $10 fine. Who gonna pay my fine for me? Let me say, he said, word for word, he said, fuck them. I'm about to go to jail. What that dude just said. What did he just say? them. I'm about to go to jail. Y'all, I'm telling you, the judge don't even know this yet. We don't know it yet. He's pacing back and forth. Jesus. I wish I could have videotaped it, y'all. But my Rule 22 doesn't offer me to do videotaping in the hallway. Lord, wish I would. He's oh my God, y'all. He said he's going to jail. He said, fuck them. Sorry for cussing y'all. I'm sorry, but he said, well, Lisa said, stop cussing. Okay. I'm gonna stop cussing. I'm gonna stop cussing. Okay. I'm gonna stop cussing. But that's what he said. That's what he said. That's what he said. Oh, that's what he said, y'all. He said he's. Well, we'll see when he comes back what he does in a witness stand. We will see. He said it. He said it. He said it, y'all. He said it. He said it. He said it, y'all. All 534 people have heard it. He said that. That is what he said in the hallway while he's back there. There's one officer that's with him. He's walking back and forth, and he said it. His attorney's upstairs. He's not downstairs. The attorney's not downstairs with him right now. He said it. He said it, Miss Sylvia. And remember, I'm not answering any question to anybody that don't have a number. You don't have a number with your question, I won't be answering it. Because y'all want to be selfish and not put your number in there? Number with your question. Number, because I don't even know. If you ask me a question, I don't see a number, then I'm not going to answer your question. That's it. That's the rules in the infamous channel. You want me to divorce something? Who is China? Well, let me tell you. China told me that I better not use her name in my thing anymore. So I can't tell you who she is. She told me, she says, Miss Sylvia, why you always got, I said, I'm a reporter, okay? She says, why are you gonna tell my name in there? So she's watching right now because her people watching my channel right now. So she told me, so she threatened me, let me stop. She told me not to use her. She said, the second time you did that, Miss Sylvia. Stop using my name in your channel. Okay, so I cannot say her name anymore. Yes, she was on my behind. Yes, she was. I said, I'm a reporter. Why are you on? She said, Miss Sylvia, didn't I tell you not to use my name? So I can't tell y'all who she is. But y'all can guess, and I'll tell you yes or no. I cannot say it, but you can guess, and I'll say yes or no. How about that? How about that? Sylvia, you're not nosy. You just like to know a lot. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. Let's see. Sylvia said, here, people's in here. Her people. Yeah, people. They the one who squealed on me. Said, hey, why are you arguing with somebody? And they said, Miss Sylvia, why are you telling my name on your channel? I'm going to sue you. I said, no, you're not. They don't know who you are. Sylvia, I wouldn't answer many questions without them hitting the like and supporting the channel, period. Okay, y'all, I just heard Rick. Rick said, do not answer any more questions if they're not supporting you by either hitting the like button or supporting you, your channel, period. That's it. Hey, Seti, listen. Said he did a live. He said that Woody's about. He said Woody's about to go to jail. Well, Seti, I think you might be right, because From what he said. uh, oh, not today, LOL. Said he did. He just said it on the in the hallway. He said, "F them, take me to jail." That's what he said. That's what said he said. Said he called it. She's nosy. We are all. That's why we are here for to tell it. That's right, Texas Black Diamond. Tell it. Said he were waiting for Fanny's video. His lawyer let him know. His lawyer's not with him right now. His lawyer is upstairs taking care of a case. 105. So he said that after he agreed to test. Yeah, he just said it. He just said it right after lunch when they called lunch. He said it. Yes. Uh-huh. So if you keep that energy. Oh. 223 says, do you think the jury come in immediately, wait 30, 45 minutes after coming back from breaks? I don't think they're coming in right immediately because I think they're going to discuss this. If you can't talk that talk, he really wants to. Okay, okay. Well, if that is his decision to go to jail, most likely the jurors are probably going to be going home. If that's his decision, if he tells the judge, if his attorney tells the judge that he's gonna be held in contempt, he's gonna put him in jail probably up to 20 days. But she said he didn't have any cases. Okay, remember, if you don't have your number, I'm not going to answer your question. If you don't have your number, I am not going, here's the deal. I am not going to answer your question. 228 says, Danielle says, is Woody nuts shooter? I don't know. I've heard that he was, but from my information, they supposedly know who it is. I don't know. Okay, he did look like he was about to cry, y'all. When he walked out that door, he looked like he was about to cry. But he's been pacing back and forth. He's on the phone, he's pacing back and forth. And then his attorney did tell them that he don't want to have his client arrested because if, they want him to be able to walk out that door. 20 days, do it and call it a day. That's what Truth Be Told said. Hey, 731. You're not 730. How you making up numbers, Slick? Slick, I'm going to punch you in your head. Excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. He's going to put down 731. He's not 731. 113. Can you answer my question? Okay, here for the T says, please, what triggered mom's crying, Nuts mom crying, Woody? What triggered it? Because she got up. She got up when he asked about the fifth, right? When Woody was on the stand and he said about he's gonna plead the fifth and all that, she shook her head, took a little tissue, she was crying, and then she got up and she left. She left. But she did come back afterwards, and then they, did a lunch thing and stuff like that. But she was upset. Sylvia, what number? Oh, when you hit the like, whatever number that's left off, that's your number. I've been out and with the kids being okay. 132 says Woody should go lay down and redeem himself. Without him, state has nothing. Okay, yeah, I'm going down to the bottom because I'm way at the top. Okay, Jeremy 215 says, Auntie, based off of being there since the jump, what are you learning towards in reference to how the jury will vote based on not guilty? Sylvia, you've been avoiding my question. What's your number, Mike? I don't see no number, so I don't know. What part of number question do you guys not understand me, y'all? Come on. Who walked out? The connector 182. The Nuts mom walked out. She walked out. Seti, did you hit the like button? If you didn't hit the like button, don't ask me no question, Seti. I was 207. I put in the chat. Didn't she say he didn't have any more cases? Yeah, that's what she said. But you know when the threats come out, they're gonna start bringing all kind of craziness on them. You know what I mean? They're not doing what he told. He's not doing what they told him to do. You know that type of thing. Like you're gonna force him to do something. 222 JE says, tell Woody he will put money. We will put money on his books. Okay, let's see. You remember numbers? Okay, for T here for the T 113. What energy do you think the defense feel? Are they nervous? No, defense was huddled in their back, and they were like, okay, okay, okay. That's that type of not they don't want to gloat. I don't think they were gloating, but they see that hey. But Steele was ready for him. Steele got so much stuff on Copeland to show how much of a liar he is. I told you, remember when I asked Adam, was he going to do the cross? And I told you that Steele was going to do it because Steele did so much homework on it. He did a lot of research. He's ready. He's ready to cross-examine and show how much of a liar he is. So, therefore, they're ready. They're ready. They're ready. I'm talking about defense. 269 says 20 days. Yeah, 20 days is the max. You know what? Slick, get away from me. 54. Do you know how long he would be in jail? 20 days. 276. Illy. Sylvia, is Thug Mom and Mariah in the court? Just Thug's mom and his sisters is in the court. Mariah's not here. Okay, who else is another number? Okay. 132, is Thug's people in the court? Yes. That's Life with Lauren. 99. Sylvia, are there any other attorneys present today? As far as the ones that's not on the case? No. Just what's the name's attorney? You know what? Get off my live, Seti. 130. Did you see Woody and Thug look at each other? I saw Thug look at him. Woody didn't look over there. Because I got the camera showing it too. All right, I answered that question. What does the number mean? When you hit the like button, you'll see a number pop up afterwards. That's the number you are. Okay, 270, Drea. I must say today was most unconfident Hilton sounded this entire trial. Just shows how much their case hinged on his testimony. Torta is 164. She says, Miss Sylvia, I was just asking, what you doing with a jacket? The courtroom is cold. Look, you see, I'm half naked. See, I have to have a jacket on because I can't show my arm like that. They're not allowed to. That's not proper courtroom attire. 216, Jimmy Finger. I know Woody's lawyer saw how biased the judge is. Yeah, he did. 182, the connector. How should do 20 days get it over with? Oh, you say you would do 20 days get it over with. Seti needs a number. Seti, I'm not answering no. Seti, just hit the like button and you see a number. Leave me alone. Seti know better because he's a content creator. He know what the like button is. He knows what it is. He want to play games with me. Okay. 215. Goober paying attention. Yes, but let me tell you, they didn't even come in there long enough. Jeremy, they weren't there. They only came in to say it's lunchtime. That's it. Remember 258 is Heather Lucas. It's gonna be an afternoon of I don't recall. That's if he gets it on the stand. Woody said he ain't crying. Stop calling him good. Got him. And number 6. Kim Morris. Thanks, Sylvia. We appreciate you. You're welcome. Said he's you gone boy off the judge. Oh God, let's see. Seti, our favorite hood lawyer is here. Let's see. 120. While Woody was sitting next to Thug, I saw George. No. He's not sitting next to Thug. He's sitting in the middle. He was sitting in the middle row. That's the way the picture looked. That's just illusion. Make sure nobody takes Sylvia's seat. Nobody's gonna take my seat, Danny. Nobody's gonna take my seat. 250, Takesha. Sylvia, I bet it will be no complaints on your personal video footage tonight. Mm-hmm. Love you too, second. No one. Second to no one. 292. Love you too. 277. Hey Vamp. How was Kokomo's family's restaurant? It was delicious. It was good. I expected to be spicy, but it wasn't spicy, but it was good. It was really good. The rice was good. The chicken was good. It was good. Plantain was good. I still got some left. Let you. Okay, I'm going to go down here. Sorry if I didn't get all of your question. 132, Renee. Last night, recap, I predicted that fifth comment. You did say that, Miss Sylvia. Give Matt Shard my info so I can get him the cases he needed to go ahead up with the state. Okay, I'll give him your what? Go ahead and send me your information so I can tell him. 268, Damien, if he takes the 20 days, can they bring it back before the judge? Nope, because he has fulfilled the his requirement of his contempt. You can't contempt him for the same thing twice. That doesn't make sense. Drea says 270, how much do you think the immunity deal has a lot to do with those tapes that Steele brought up yesterday? He implied that it's jail recording from Casey gave to a completely different story. I don't know. Woody got immunity. Okay, I'm not reading that one. That one's not. 301. Okay, the family feels about Gunna. How the family feels about Gunna. Which family? You talking about hold on, somebody said something about Woody. Hold on a second. Woody's probably watching me right now. Somebody send me something. I'm trying to see what it is. Okay. Whatever y'all send me, it's not opening up. Wait a minute. Somebody. Wait. Woody's watching me? Hold on. Oh, wow. Woody's watching me. Surrounded by 50 police, these hoes act like I didn't just come in here on my own. They won't let me move as I was running. Oh, Woody's posted stuff, y'all. Y'all, Woody's posted stuff on his channel, y'all. What in the heck? Woody. Oh my God, y'all. Woody's posted stuff. This is my last jail time. I love y'all, and I have to take this trip. Oh, he just posted it. So he's going to jail, y'all. He's going to jail. Woody is going to jail, y'all. He just posted it. He says, this is my last jail time. I love y'all. I have to take this trip. My head high, nobody. My head high, no. Take this trip. My head high, nobody didn't force me to, and I'm gonna be okay. God didn't bring me this far for nothing. It's what it is. I'll be okay. So he's going to jail, y'all. Breaking news. He's going to jail. So y'all see, I didn't lie. I didn't lie. All those would be trying to act like I lie. I didn't lie. I don't. People just be saying that I don't know what I'm talking about. That I don't give a facts and all that. I told you. I heard the man in the hallway what he said. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the information. Somebody just see how y'all do me. You see how y'all do me. You see how they be talking about, oh, she's a liar. Because I be bringing up stuff because they don't know nothing about it. But all of a sudden, I'm a liar. I'm in the courtroom for a reason, y'all. Because I hear things, I see things. Some things I might not say it properly, but trust me. Thank you. There he is. Isn't that what he got on, y'all? Isn't that what he got on? I told you what he said, y'all. I told y'all. I told you what he said. I told y'all. He's going to jail, y'all. He's going to jail. He said it. He's going to jail. I'm not laughing, but because I told y'all what I heard in the hallway, what he said, and then all of a sudden somebody sent me something that what he's doing, because he's still standing in the hallway over there. He's still standing in the hallway. So he didn't even eat lunch. He's going to jail. He said he ain't crying. I'm telling you, he looked like he was crying. I saw his face. He looked like he was about to cry. He looked like he was about to cry. That's why I saw. Maybe he was upset. Maybe he was upset. Maybe he was upset, and that's why, But he's going to jail, y'all. The proof is that. Thank you so much, my trusty person who's in his chat, who sees him. Yeah, he going to jail, y'all. He's going to jail. He's going to jail, y'all. Thank you, Danny. He's going to jail. He's going to jail. He's going to jail. So we just wait for him to get his attorney to announce it to the judge. And he's going to jail. So, I got 4 minutes to get back. Okay, because they ain't going to start on time. So we're going to go back. So don't forget, tonight I will give you guys a breakdown of everything. I'm going to tell you stuff that's happening behind the scene that you don't see on the camera. So make sure you guys subscribe, share, let folks know that I'm here. Let them know that I've been here from the beginning. And some of you guys just seeing who I am. But I'm the real deal. I promise you, I'm the real deal. I'm in here every day. Ask my peeps. They'll tell you. Y'all just seeing me for the first time in your life. He's gonna say, Miss. Well, look, my observation. Let me correct it. In my observation, it looked like to me that he was about to drop a tear. Okay, how about that? In my observation, I mean, you can't change my observation, right? It looked like he was about to drop a tear when he was walking out past me. Because he walked past me. He seen my face. I saw his face. I looked in my eye. I looked at it. He looked like he was about to drop a tear. And maybe it's a tear of anger. Okay? But guys, I'm going to go back. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is where you're going to get the real tea, water, coffee, milk. All right. Love you guys. I will I'm glad you guys found me. Don't be a stranger. I got more 411 for y'all. I'll see y'all later. My numbers better go up. I'm telling you right now. If I don't hit 30,000 by Friday, by Monday, I'm going to kick y'all behind. I'm serious. I'm going to kick y'all behind. Y'all better get your mama, your auntie, your cousin, all of them to hit that like button and hit my channel. I'm not playing. Not playing. I've been doing this too long not to get 30,000. Okay. I'll see y'all later. Bye. I ain't playing. I'm serious. Auntie Sylvie going to come after you if y'all don't hit the like button, if y'all don't subscribe. All right? Love y'all. Bye.